So, hopefully you're going to find this video interesting. I am. I'm amazed what you can do these days. Now, I'm no techno person, but there's been a bit of a craze lately that you can do these action figures. I'm talking about ChatGPT. It's a free app. You can do so many things on it in a day, and then you have to wait until the next day. I think it must be something like credit. Anyway, I thought, would it be possible to fly my Mini 4 Pro with using my RCM1 controller on my tablet, but using the Litchi Pilot app? And what I asked it, I'll put the spill just here. What I asked it, could you do a waypoint mission? And you have to be pretty descriptive, guys, but within seconds, presto, it came up with a waypoint mission. I think it was 6 waypoints. So I thought, oh, that's fantastic. Actually give me the file, and I downloaded it onto my mission hub, the Litchi mission hub, but it came up with an error. Now, I have done a video a couple of weeks ago on how you can transfer files from waypoints, blah de blah. Anyway, check that out if you want to know how to do that. So I said back to it, I said, sorry, it came up with an error. So it sent me another file. I did it again, it came up with an error. I thought, no, I'm going to persevere with this because I'm sure this AI stuff will work. And what it was doing, it was saying something about the gimbal position, it changed or something. Anyway, they sent me a final one, and that went fine. That loaded up straight onto my Litchi mission hub, and it's on my tablet now. But it's just a basic flight. I put the plan here. Now, if you notice it, for some reason the drone's facing all weird directions. But I thought I'm not going to mess about, because obviously you can edit it. I did ask it if it could do an orbit, but I think what happens with this ChatGPT, you get so much credit, and then and I wasn't going to wait. I just wanted to see if I could fly this drone using this AI stuff by just pressing go. So this is what this video. Do you think it's going to work? Now, don't panic, guys. Like anything, I can cancel. If I think it's going off track or something, I can just cancel the waypoints and bring it back in. But we'll see what happens, eh? So while the drone's whizzing around at the moment at it's like 80 miles per hour, which is going to land in any time, the only thing that you can't do, guys, you can't re-edit once you're outside. You have to go back and go back onto the internet. I think what it is, you have to actually do it on the mission hub back at home. So, which is no problem, but I just wanted to see, was it possible just to let one of these AI apps to take control of your drone? I'm not flying nothing. The only problem is that obviously once it's finished its mission, it didn't say it's going to return to home. It's just going to stay up there, which is no problem. So the moral of the story is it works, but I think what you need to do is to go in when you're back at home to retweak it a bit. Obviously, I think the speed was a little bit fast. Now, like I said before, at the beginning, when you tap in the description, you have to be really informative so the app knows what you actually want. I didn't say anything about speed, so I should have put on this about the speed, maybe which way the drone's facing. I did ask for a point of interest, but I run out on my credit on the ChatGPT. But guys, it works. You can use that information. The thing I love about this ChatGPT thing is you can ask it so many questions. It could put me out of business, because you can ask it about the new Spanish drone rules, what the place you're going to, not just about the weather, the location. It's amazing little app, I must say. Let me know how you get on with it. Anyway, as always, there's going to be another video coming very soon.